Yeah, I miss my home. Wow, nice. Okay, my home. We have a satellite. Okay, what happened this? What happened? Okay, it's okay. I will pass up there. It's very hungry. I will pass up over there. Okay. Wow, it's very nice. We have more cloth here. Okay. Wow, very nice light. Okay, I will put there and I will my friend. My tank is very big and very small. We have money here. Okay. I will go over there, my friend. Hey, my money in my small bag, 2 bag. I want to put this. Will go, my friend. Okay, we have more money. Yes, I will go to my friend.
Ay, guys, panahon. Asa na gito kong uyab dagway. Giyaan na dyan ko ani.
Uyab na ore.
Usaw di ka babalaka ng pila ka adlaw gibiyaan.
Mo na diha. Bayuton man day ka, pre.
Higo magsabaw bisag wait.
Ikaw, pre. Kapila na ti kagiingnan nga. Ayaw na ana imong uyab lagi. Gibiduan na mangugaan na, pre.
Pre, mayroon nga sinugdanan lagi. Igumaan na kas bahay nga gwapo ka. Bas, hoy.
Ikaw, pre, dapat dawaton imong kamatuoran, pre. Maot ka yung GR. Mong gibiyahan ka, pre. Maot eta, pre.
Unsay maot? Basi ikaw ray maot ha. Ay ko gidamay si mong kuan ha.
Sorry na.
Tim mo tagay oh. Scott no ning.
Ayaw pala, bihi.
Oh,
Sa mga tao mo, kalas-kalas.
Mga kwarta.
dili.
Di man siya ayaw, kalas-kalas. Ayaw, sad. Kamu kayubog na mo. Pundura mo.
Basi ikaw ray hubog.
Di ko hubog.
Ikaw ray hubog.
Hey man! Why are you not hear me, huh? Why are you drinking that?
Ay, kasagad niya. Kinsa man na. Kailangan kinsa na. Ba, isog man ako eh.
Isog kig kan okay. Singgit mayo ba?
Taruhan na drag sa mga.
Hey, it's me, your friend from Canada, Tilax. Hello, kumusta?
Tilax.
Hey, friend. Hey, wait. Come on. Up,
Relax.
Up, okay, up. Oh, yeah, very nice. Why are you lonely? Huh? Why? What happened? My friend is only one bottle your drink.
Usa.
Yeah. Okay, I will put this and you can buy.
No,
Another, you can buy.
I don't walk.
Okay, I will give you my everyone.
Pre, kasabot kasi ang sulti.
Wala magay ko kasabot sa kong uyab. Kana panoon siya.
Anyway, friend, it's okay. I don't Bisaya because I'm go in Canada. So I'm
Canada.
here. Okay, Canada. I'm here to see you, my friend.
See you. Hoy. Pre, see you. See you tomorrow.
Okay, anyway, I give
On.
Okay.
You promise us.
Di ko kabalo mo. English di ay.
Oh,
Imong
yes.
saad nga cellphone.
My friend, don't forget about that, my friend. I will give you here. You have 3 phones. I give you one. I give you one. Okay, and I give you money to buy drinking, alcoholic drinking. Okay, don't you worry, ha. We have a phone, 3 phones. Okay, we have Infinix. Wait.
Aqua.
This is for you.
Aqua.
Oh, Infinix phone.
Si kanan man ni oy.
Oh, Vivo. This is for you.
Si kanan ra man eh.
It's okay. I'll give you that.
Kuha di ay.
We have phone,
Bati
another
mo ni si
phone.
kanan.
Okay, it's for you.
Yeah, pwede mo
Really? Okay. And don't worry about that. I give you money.
Ay, naabot na tag cellphone pero ana jud ko uyab. Patiyaw ni uy.
I give you money one by one. Okay. We have money more.
Hatag kwarta?
Okay, I give you money because this guy is lonely. I give you 500.
500.
And also this guy,
500.
I will give you
500.
Hinahinay ra diha.
50. And also we have money more. Okay, okay. And now you can buy bottle of.
Ay, umausag pa!
I give you money.
Money?
Yes. Oh, you can buy. Oh no, my friend. Before you are very handsome, and this time you are ugly.
You are
You are very. You are very ugly now. And relax. It's okay. It's okay. And also, before you are very fat, and now you're very thin. Like this. It's very thin. And you, before you are very good, and now you are very bad. Huh? Where are you?
Are you abusing my human rights?
It's okay. It's okay.
Ganito nga na. Nangaminos gini na to. Bisa kung sa pasulti.
Ilas kay
It's
ka.
okay, our friend.
Ikaw ah. Pagtarog ka.